Hey guys, it's Mrs. Payne. Welcome to 1C.3 notes. Today, our master learning objective is actually the same as our last one. I can classify expressions as rational or irrational by calculating the sum and product of rational and irrational numbers. Now here we're just going to combine some things. Okay? Here are your steps. The first thing you do is simplify exponents. Realize that means reducing any fraction. Change exponential powers to radical forms. Okay, so anything that still has an exponent on it, we're going to switch it to radical form. Use properties of radicals to add or multiply. Alright, let's look at an example, our first example here, and go through our steps. 5 to the 1/2 plus 4 to the 6th half. Okay, so our first step is to simplify exponents. So, 1/2 doesn't reduce. Okay? Plus 6/2, well, 6 divided by 2 is 3. Again, you can use your calculator if you need to, but I feel like everyone should be able to do 6 divided by 2. Okay? Our second step is switching this into our radical form. This is going back to target B. Okay? So, a radical form. We need a radical. What is my base? My base is 5. Remember, my exponent then becomes this 1. And my root is the 2. So that's anything that has a fraction exponent. If it doesn't have a fraction exponent, this 4 cubes, I'm just going to type it in my calculator as 4 cubes. Okay? So, fraction exponents get typed in your calculator. Non-fraction exponents, sorry, that was wrong. Fraction exponents get switched. Non-fraction exponents we type in our calculator. Now remember, the last thing. Remember, with that root, I don't have to write the 2. And with exponents, I don't have to write that 1. So this is just square root 5 plus 64. Looking at example 20, same thing. First, look at your exponents. Can they be reduced? 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Plus 7 to the 1/2 still cannot be reduced. First thing with our calculator, -3 to the 4th. Yeah. Make sure you have the parentheses just like the problem does. Okay, -3 to the 4th. We get 81. Plus, I need my radical, right? That's why fraction exponents have a radical. The 7 is my base. My exponent is on top. My root is on bottom. And I can just rewrite this. 81 plus, I don't need that 2. And I don't need that 1. Remember, it's only the 2 here and the 1 here that I don't need. Okay? The 2 there and the 1 there that I do not need. Looking at example 21, I have 2. My exponent is 12 over 3. Remember, can I divide 12 by 3? Yes, 12 divided by 3 is 4. Can I divide 1 by 3? No, so I'll keep it as a fraction. If I have a regular number exponent, again, remember that just goes in your calculator. So I'm going to do 2 to the 4th. Is 16. Then, plus, right? Anything with a fraction exponent, I am switching to a radical. So I'm going to draw my radical. 3 is my base. 1 is my exponent. And 3 is my root there. Again, remember, you do not need an exponent of 1. If you write it, it's not the end of the world. But with multiple choice answers, make sure you remember that you don't need that 1 there. This one, I need the 3. The only time I don't need that number on the outside is if it's 2. Alright, looking at our last one, we have 6 to the 4 halves plus 5 to the 6 halves. So I have 6 to these. I can divide 4 by 2. That's 2. I can divide 6 by 2. That's 3. Again, you can use your calculator to get these numbers. I'm not going to show it for the sake of time because I showed it on the other 3. But 6 squared, that's the whole number, is 36. This one I can put in my calculator too because it's a whole number exponent. 5 cubed is 125. Now, these I can combine. These I couldn't combine. They weren't like terms. These are both just numbers. 36 plus 125, you get 161. I have to watch out for that, whether I can combine them at the end or not. Yeah, awesome. So that was a much shorter video than our last one. You're welcome. I know the last one was really long. So go ahead and work on activity 1C.3 and have a wonderful rest of your day.